Once you have created the quiz and had students take the test, you can see that I have 20 responses. I can click on responses and go to summary of responses, and I will see a summary of the questions and the answers, and I can see which questions I need to discuss in class because the class didn't quite get it the first time around. I can also view my responses by clicking on this button, and I see it in the spreadsheet form with the timestamp, the first and last name, and all the questions that were asked on the quiz. Now, in order to grade this quiz, I'm going to click on add-ons, and the first time you go through this, you'll have to click get add-ons and search for Flubaroo. The next time you do a quiz, though, you won't have to do that because it will remember that Flubaroo is one of your add-ons in your Google Forms app. So now I'm going to regrade the assignment because I've already graded this before, so it'll say regrade. Otherwise, if it was the first time through, it would say grade assignment. I am going to replace, and it's going to take me through the steps. So here at the beginning, it'll always ask you to identify the points to each question, and you can change question's points depending on how many points you think that question is worth. Then I'm going to scroll down to my name. I had to take the quiz myself so that Flubaroo had an answer key with the correct answers. I'm going to reload the page. It's probably did this just because I've graded the quiz before, or there's an issue right now. So I reloaded it, and it should give me my answers. And now down here at the bottom, you see the kids and what their total point was and what their percentage is. And you can scroll across and you can see that they got the questions right or wrong by how many points are underneath. The orange boxes, I believe, are highlighted orange because those were questions that were missed by the majority of the students. And if we scroll down here to the bottom, it gives us an average, and you can see that it was below 50%, 60% average for that question. And you'll notice that now in my response spreadsheet, I have my grades right next to my submissions.